In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create an external catalog in Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench. External catalogs enable me to easily connect to external data sources, register metadata, and access the data for queries and analysis without copying or duplicating it within Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench. In this scenario, I'm a data analyst, and I need to create an external catalog in Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench to quickly connect to the most current sales data from my Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse instance. I'll begin in the master catalog and select Create Catalog. I'll name the catalog Sales External Database. I can set the catalog type to Standard, which enables me to import metadata and data files to manage directly in Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench. But in this case, I'll select the external catalog type since I want to register metadata from Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse without ingesting the underlying data. I'll select Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse external source type. I can connect to the external catalog through a wallet or an existing Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse instance on the same tenancy as my Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench instance. In this case, I'll add a wallet because my Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse is in a different tenancy. The service setting lets me choose how much computing power Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench should use when accessing this external catalog. If I expect light usage or simple queries, I would choose low. For heavy workloads like large data refreshes or complex analytics, high is a better choice. For most cases, medium is a good balance between performance and cost, so I'll select medium. Next, I'll enter my wallet password. Then I'll enter the username and password for the database I'm connecting with. Next, I'll test the connection to make sure I enter the connection details correctly. The connection is successful. I will now create the catalog. I'll verify the external catalog is now available in my master catalog. Now I'll select the external catalog to review my expense schema and table metadata. The data won't be visible as it only resides in my Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse instance. Now that I've set up an external connection to my Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse, I can query the external data directly from my AIDP notebooks without needing to move or store the data in AI Data Platform Workbench. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench in the links below.